Hey there, Luke from QC3D. Today is October 1st, and I made it out to ERRF 2023 East Coast Riff-Raff Festival, Rep-Rap Festival, something like that. It's only about an hour and a half from me here in Pennsylvania to Bel Air, Maryland. Yeah, Bel Air, Maryland. Well, that was October 1st. That means all printers are busy. We got the Prusa Minis going. We got the Bamboos cranking away here for this upcoming holiday season, which is Christmas. Yes, my Christmas items are already picking up, and I'm preparing for Christmas. So, hey, let's take a look at what I saw at ERRF 2023.